Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these wholemeal or whole wheat rolls. Let's begin. Into your mixing bowl you'll want to place all of your wholemeal flour along with the salt and give it a brief mix just to incorporate the two. You can then go ahead and add in the yeast, the sugar and the water and mix on a low speed to start with, working your way up to a medium-low speed just until a clear dough is formed. Being careful not to overmix as this will make the gluten overworked and it'll be tough textures, which isn't ideal. You just want to give the dough a quick knead and work in some extra flour if the dough's a bit sticky. Just work it together until it's smoother and more elasticated. This is what you're looking for. You can then transfer this into a lightly oiled bowl and cover the bowl with some cling film and leave it somewhere for around an hour or until it's doubled in size. Here is what the dough looks like after 1 hour of being brewed. It's completely done. You'll then want to dust your surface with some wholemeal flour and place it onto it and knock it back. That's just a process of removing the gases that are built up during the brew. Weigh up the dough and divide it by 12, and for each dough ball you will then want to weigh up that amount. Round it off using your hand and then just place them onto a baking tray. I put mine in a 3x4 configuration, but feel free to alternate this to suit your baking trays. So as always, I will leave a link in the description down below to my blog post for this recipe. If you're interested, don't forget to go and check it out. So here are what the rolls look like once they're fully baked and cooled. As you can tell, they've batched together and this is ideal. If you had a bigger tray you could always separate them up into batches of 6 like they would in the supermarkets or in shops, but again it doesn't matter if you're home baking. So here are what the rolls look like up close. They're the perfect size and they're quite soft. As you can tell, it's wholemeal or whole wheat, whichever you know it as. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another upload, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the links in the description. There'll be links to my social media and my blog, so check them out. Don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, as I'll be posting more on there as well. So yeah, that's all for today. Bye guys.